Welcome to Star Lab Lesson 1, Day and Night. Here we will see a screencast of what we would have seen if we were able to go into the Star Lab. On our screen, the sky appears to be a flat circle. We can see that it's daytime because the sun is in the sky. Earth gets light and heat from the sun. I'll start the Earth's motion, and it appears that the sun moves across the sky and then reaches the horizon. The sun is setting. As the Earth continues to move, the sun sets, the stars come out, and it's nighttime. Eventually the sun rises again. The sun appears to move across the sky. It is now about 12 noon on our screen. Does the sun rise and set in the same place? Look closely. On our horizon, which is where the sky meets the ground, I see the letters for north, south, east, and west. Then in between north and west, we have northwest, and so on with the other directions. The sun set over here between the west and the northwest. Is that where the sun will rise? Let's go through another evening. And back to daytime and the sun rising. The sun rose in the opposite part of the sky. It rose between east and northeast. Let's follow the sun for one complete day, 24 hours. We started over here in the morning. It's about noon. Here we are in the afternoon. The sun is reaching the horizon at evening. The stars come out. It's night. And then the sun rises again. And here we are at about the same time that we began. 24 hours. One full day. Includes both daytime and nighttime. People figured this out long ago, but one thing was very confusing. As you watch the sun, it looks like the sun is moving across the sky, and that's what people used to believe. They thought the Earth was the center of the universe, and the sun, stars, and moon all went around us. These days, scientists have another idea of what's going on. The reason the sun appears to move across the sky is because the Earth is spinning, just like a top. And since we're riding on the Earth, we see the stars and the sun move, but it's really us doing the moving. Back in 1543, a famous scientist named Nicholas Copernicus came up with the idea that the Earth moved, but many people did not believe it because they didn't feel the Earth move. Today we know we can't feel the Earth is spinning because it is so big. Let's see how the Earth's motion controls day and night. Here we are, 11,000 kilometers out in space, looking back at the Earth. Does the Earth look the same on both sides? This side of the Earth is lit. The other half of the Earth is dark. The sun is shining on half of the Earth, where the sunlight hits. So the sun is over here out in space, shining its light on this half of the Earth. On that half of the Earth, it's daytime. For the other half of the Earth, it's night. Let's watch as the Earth rotates. The motion you are seeing is called rotation. Even though we don't feel it, Our Earth makes one complete rotation every 24 hours. 24 hours is a full day. Watch as the Earth continues to spin. The continents move in and out of daytime. The sun stays in the same place. We're going to move further out into space. Here we are, 200 million kilometers from Earth. Here you can see where the sun is. And here's the Earth. Day and night happen because the sun shines on only half the Earth at a time. The side that's lit is daytime, and the side that's dark is in nighttime. As the Earth rotates, different places move into the lit and dark areas. Thank you for joining us for Star Lab Lesson 1.